Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Today we are going to be playing with this stamp here. This stamp is from Journal Say. As you guys know, I am part of the design team, so I share project using their products, so I'm very pleased to be working with this company. So this stamp here, if you watch till the end of the video, we've got a discount code, so you can use it to any products on Journal Say website. You get 80% off with my code Antonio Makes, and I will put on the screen as well. Okay, so these are fabulous faux stitching. It looks like it's going through the sewing machine, but they haven't. We just use some laser mark and some heat and emboss powder. Right guys, keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay, so guys, let me show you. I've got, oh god, we made this a while ago. These were when I showcased how to use napkin on music sheet paper using dry glue instead of wet glue. So if I remember, I will put this video at the end of this one in case you guys want to watch it, but I'm just gonna use the back because I just want to experiment it. The front is very pretty as well. We've got this handsome guy, and also going to use two tags. This is where, oh god, this is a very old video. We made some tag using my floral denim digital papers. They're one of my brand new kit. Is one of my favorite because it's got lace and denim. So what I wanted to test is what it will look like with different powders. So I've got here, I don't know the brand, copper, it don't say. So I've got the copper powder, the heat up the embossing powder in gold, and I've got it in black. What brand is this? Lovecraft. Now my original plan was to make them all in black because the black represent, you know, it will look like proper like thread. Oh, and I'm still debating if I do it in gold or copper. I was actually thinking to use different powders just to see what it will look with different looks. But part of me wants to stick with black. I'll have a look. This is my Stampin' Up block. What number it is? Oh, number I. So it's the long one. So what we're going to do, I'm going to do off camera because I'm going to use my heat gun. So it's going to be a bit noisy. So I'm just going to put some very nice relaxing music on the background, and I'm just going to speed it up. And then I'm using the Versamark, the pad. Okay, so I'm just going to put the inks in there, and then we're just going to go all over it. Now, I think I'm going to use them all black. I'm just scared that you're not going to see them in gold and copper. Yeah, I think I'm going to stick with black. Yeah, I decided. Right, let me have a little play, and I'll be right back. What I forgot to tell you is that there are 12 different stitches. Yeah, which is good because there's three embellishments, so we're just going to use one of each on each tag. Okay, so I'm trying to be in order. Yeah, I'm going to go in order. I'm going to go like this way around so I can show you stitch by stitch. Okay. Okay, love them. Let me give you some tips. Tip number one, when you stamp the stitching, don't press too hard because you're gonna lose all the details. Lesson learned here. You see, I think I went a bit too heavy, so it's this, you can still see the stitching, but I lost the details in there. Tip number two, just make sure your powder it's good and it's new, because I have this powder for God knows at least 10 years, and the problem you get, if I do like this, it looks quite cool. If I show you the detail, and I don't know if my camera is gonna focus it, you will. Oh, let me show you. I think you probably see, no, because of them. So let me see. Okay, so it's gonna focus. So can you see it's a bit pixelated? There is like little dots. It's because of the powder. Okay, but overall, I'm very pleased with what the tags looks like. So it definitely it definitely looks like for stitching, and it definitely looks then going through the sewing machine, but it didn't. So yeah, this is a solution for, you know, if you don't have the washing machine, the stitching machine, and also if you can't be bothered, at least you can have some fun with some heat gun. Right, let me show you one by one. So if I remember correctly, it's from here to the left. Okay, so this one here is that one. The second one there is this one here, the one on my left, this one here. This one with the stitching, which is one of my favorite, it's, I want to say it was this one. And then this one with a zigzag here, the zigzag here is this one, because you can clearly recognize the stitching. So I'm very, very pleased with that. Then tag number 2, it was this one. So I have used 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this one here with this messy is, I use it on the top and the bottom. Okay, so I really, really, really like it. And then as you can see, each stamp is different. It's got significant, distinctive, stitching style. You can see there, and then it goes linear, and then it goes zigzag again. And I mean, you can stamp it directly. You don't have to heat emboss. With the heat emboss, it gets very textile. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's, you know, it's like a 3D. It looks like, it feels that it's going through the I keep saying washing machine. I don't know why. It's probably because I need to do a wash. And then the last tag, I have used 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the last 4. Which it's this one here. There is a lot of detail here. This is a very, very well made stamp. This one, I like that as well. And then the one with the zigzag, and this one again, and that's the result. So you've got the stitching. So it looks like it's gone through the sewing machine. Right guys, I'm going to go. I really, really recommend this stamp, and I was really, really pleased to test it for you. Result, I want to say 9 out of 10. It's purely because of the powder, and it's me not press it properly, but I think the stamps are very, very good quality. Guys, use my discount code Antonio Makes, and you get 8% off your order. And also if you use my link, which is linked in the info box, I get little tiny commission, which is really helpful, you know, to buy some more supplies and, you know, do videos for you, for entertain you. Guys, I'm going to go. If you like this video, big thumbs up. And I just want to say thank you so much to Journal Say to collaborate with me. I truly, truly, truly enjoy using the products and be part of the team as well. So I'm very, very, very happy with that. Big thumbs up if you like this video. I will see you on Wednesday. We're going to pick the winners of the VIP Lounge giveaway for April. So watch out. And then on Friday, we got another Friday freebie. So lots and lots of videos coming up this week. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.